What am I going to show next time? Well, it might be this. Let's take you over here really quick. I've got this on my honeydew list, and we've got some lights in a closet over here. Let's see here, we'll turn this on. Oh, come on. You see that every once in a while this fluorescent bulb will light and then other times it won't. I'm going to turn it off and back on. You see how it flickered there? Come on. Sometimes it takes a while for it to heat up. See how it's orange on the end? There you go. Now see, that bulb, I believe that bulb is going out, and there's another one up here in this closet right here. That's kind of slick though how they did that, because that gives you lots of light in your closet. See how much light you got in the closet? Yeah. So I'm going to have to take that cover off, and I'm going to have to take the bulb out. And I want to do that first before I go to the hardware store, because there's different lengths of bulbs, the ends. There's different pins on the ends, or it might just be a one single stud that one side pushes in, the other side doesn't, let's say. And so then that will determine what kind of bulb to get. So I've got to get up there, check that out, and all that. That'll be on another video. Now, will that fix it? I'm hoping that's going to fix it, but on light fixtures like this is a fluorescent light fixture. It could be that the ballast is ready to fail, and there's a black ballast in there. So my first objection is to replace those bulbs. When I come back here and replace the bulbs, if I still have problems with this, issues with this light fixture, I might replace the ballast in here rather than replace the whole light fixture. I mean, you could replace the whole light fixture and get a whole new cover and all that with the new ballast in there, and they don't cost that much more. But if you want to get the ballast, you've got to take the ballast out of this one and take that to the hardware store so that you can match up the ballast like for like, because there's lots of different types. Will one ballast work on all light fixtures? Of course not. Okay, that'll be on another video. Watch for it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.